Welcome to this tutorial. I'm solving question number 3 of paper 21 October-November exam series of 2021. The question says a type of nuclear reaction that takes place at the center of the sun. The reaction releases thermal energy. State the name of the type of nuclear reaction that takes place at the center of the sun. So at the center of the sun, we know that the reaction that is taking place is nuclear fusion. Thermal energy is emitted from the surface of the sun into space. The energy is transferred through the vacuum of space by thermal radiation. Describe the radiation that is emitted from the surface of the sun. So the energy or the radiation emitted are the radiations are electromagnetic waves. These are infrared radiations which are produced by hot objects. Okay, the next part says state the speed of the radiation in the vacuum. So in a vacuum, the speed of electromagnetic waves is 3.0 10 raised to 8 meters per second. The earth is at 1.5 10 raised to 11 meters from the surface of the sun. So the distance is given to us. Calculate the time taken. We have to find the time taken for the radiation to travel to earth. So for this we are going to use the formula distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. So it means time is equal to distance divided by the speed. The value of distance is given to us and the value of speed we already know in the vacuum. So the answer we get is 500 seconds for this part. Explain one advantage of wearing white clothes on sunny days. So white clothes are especially helpful for a sunny day because white surfaces are good reflectors and they do not absorb heat energy much. So less thermal energy is absorbed. That is why it is good to wear white clothes in sunny days to avoid the absorption of heat in the clothes. So the question ends here with this part.
We try to explain complex concepts in simple language and with effective examples. If you like the video and the way we explain the subject, consider liking this tutorial, commenting on it and subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon, so that you stay updated and get notified when we upload more videos. Thanks for watching.